Sweet chariot, coming for to carry me home. Swing low, sweet chariot, coming for to carry me home.
Children and women are forced into marriage all over the world, and the big problems are especially in India and other poor countries in Asia. You can help us with helping them. All you gotta do is to take your phone and send an SMS to 1225 and write help and then $5. Or go to the website www.insam.com and donate money there. That's all you're gonna do. And you will make a big difference with all the money. We will help women and children all over the world with getting out of their marriage and get the help they need. We hope you will help us with helping them.